This Corot non-stick frying pan skillet set is a thoughtfully designed solution for cooks who want healthier meals, reliable performance, and everyday convenience in one complete package. This 5-piece ceramic cookware set combines modern non-toxic materials with practical design details that directly address the most common frustrations in daily cooking. From quick breakfasts to family dinners, these frying pans are engineered to deliver consistent results while supporting a cleaner, safer kitchen environment. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. What immediately sets this Corot frying pan set apart is its advanced ceramic non-stick coating. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that rely on chemical-based coatings, these skillets are completely free from PFOA, PFAS, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. This means you can cook confidently, knowing your food is not exposed to harmful substances, even during frequent or high heat use. For health-conscious households, this non-toxic construction is a major advantage and a key reason why ceramic cookware continues to grow in popularity. The ceramic coating also delivers exceptional non-stick performance. Eggs slide effortlessly across the surface, pancakes flip cleanly, and sauces release without sticking. Because food does not cling to the pan, you can cook with significantly less oil or butter, reducing unnecessary fat intake while preserving natural flavors. This makes the Corot non-stick frying pans ideal for anyone focused on healthier eating without sacrificing taste or texture. Another standout feature is how easy these pans are to clean. The smooth ceramic surface resists buildup and staining, allowing most residue to be wiped away with a simple rinse or swipe. This saves time after cooking and keeps the pans looking new even with regular use. For busy kitchens, this low-maintenance design translates directly into convenience and long-term satisfaction. The set includes 3 essential frying pan sizes: 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch. This range ensures you always have the right pan for the task, whether you're preparing a single egg, sautéing vegetables, or cooking a full meal for the family. The inclusion of a colander lid adds extra functionality, allowing you to drain water easily when cooking pasta or vegetables without switching tools. The double spout design supports both left and right-handed pouring, enhancing overall usability. To further protect the ceramic coating, Corot includes a wooden-handled silicone spatula. This accessory is not just a bonus, but a practical tool that helps extend the lifespan of the cookware by preventing scratches and surface damage. Small details like this reflect a well-rounded design approach focused on long-term value rather than short-term use. Performance across different stovetops is another area where this frying pan set excels. Thanks to its high magnetic stainless steel base, the Corot ceramic frying pans are fully induction compatible while also working seamlessly on gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. The extended bottom design promotes fast and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking. This ensures consistent browning, controlled simmering, and reliable results across a wide range of recipes. Durability is built into the structure of these pans. The robust construction supports everyday cooking demands while maintaining the integrity of the ceramic coating. Even with frequent use, the pans retain their non-stick properties and visual appeal, making them a dependable choice for both beginner cooks and experienced home chefs. Why this frying pan set is a smart kitchen upgrade. The Corot non-stick frying pan skillet set is designed for people who want cookware that aligns with modern health standards while delivering everyday practicality. It eliminates the common pain points of traditional non-stick pans, such as chemical concerns, difficult cleaning, and uneven heating. Instead, it offers a clean, efficient, and reliable cooking experience that fits seamlessly into daily routines. Final verdict. If you're searching for a ceramic nonstick frying pan set that combines safety, performance, and thoughtful design, the Corot 5PCS frying pan set is an excellent investment. It supports healthier cooking habits, simplifies cleanup, and adapts to virtually any stovetop. This set delivers strong value for anyone upgrading their kitchen essentials or replacing worn-out cookware. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up